TechnoGimp. Sketch Me. Teach. Sketch Me. Software demo. Learners convert an image to a pencil drawing using Hue-Saturation, layer modes, filters, and levels. List of topics. Create a pencil drawing effect using Hue-Saturation, layer modes, filters, and levels. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp Workbook, pages 93 to 98. Have you seen a digital sketch of a photo? Creating a pencil drawing image. Open the image file, girl1.jpg. The first step you need to do to convert an image to a pencil drawing is to create 3 layer copies of the image. Use the duplicate layer button found in the layers dialog to create 2 duplicates of the original layer. Select the topmost layer. Then go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Hue-Saturation. In the Hue-Saturation dialog box, 1. Set the saturation value to -100. You can input the value or use the slider to do this. The color of the image should then be converted to grayscale. 2. Then, click on OK to apply the adjustment. In the Layers dialog, go to Mode above Opacity, and select HSV Saturation from the drop-down list. The image should then become more saturated. Next, 1. Select the second layer, and go to Mode again. In the drop-down list, 2. Select Dodge. The Dodge mode eliminates some elements in the photo by brightening and darkening selected parts. After switching to Dodge mode, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Invert. Inverting the photo will remove most if not all parts of the photo. In the example below, the image completely disappeared. Go to the menu bar and click on Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Selecting Gaussian Blur will show a faint trace of the image. 1. Adjust the values of size X and size Y to adjust the intensity of the blur and make the lines of the drawing more visible. 2. Click on OK to apply the changes. Then, select the third layer. Go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Levels. 1. Adjust the levels using the triangle sliders or the value box. 2. Tick the split view option and try inputting different values. 3. Click on OK to apply the changes. The image should now look like a pencil drawing. Processing questions. Do you have images that you want to convert to a drawing? Will you rely on this editing process if ever you need to convert an image to a drawing? Is traditional drawing still the best option? Check your understanding. Although you can never replace traditional drawings, options like this in GIMP give you flexibility depending on what you or a project needs. Image editing software does not entirely replace any tried and tested methods, but it is better to be well-rounded and upskilled in the digital age.